You work out every day. You try to eat more, but your body still isn't growing. The problem is not your gym. The problem is the mistakes most people make every single day. Today, we'll uncover 20 scientific reasons why your body is not building muscle, not eating enough calories. Your body cannot build muscle from nothing. If you eat too little, your body simply doesn't have enough energy to grow. To build muscle, you must eat in a calorie surplus. Muscle growth formula: low protein intake. Muscles are made from protein. If you train hard, but don't eat enough protein, your recovery becomes very slow. Best protein sources: poor sleep. Most people focus only on workouts, but ignore sleep. Real muscle recovery happens while you sleep. If you sleep late or sleep less than 7 hours, your muscle growth slows down. No progressive overload. Lifting the same weight forever will not grow your body. Your muscles need new challenges. You must slowly increase weight, reps, intensity. Over time. 6. Too much junk food. Eating more food does not always mean more muscle. If most of your diet is fast food, soda, sugar, you may inconsistent workouts. One workout today, then skipping the gym for 5 days will never transform your body. Consistency is the real secret. No patience. Many people quit too early. They train for 2 weeks, 1 month, and expect huge results. But strong bodies take time to build. Not drinking enough water. Water is essential for energy, recovery, muscle performance. Without enough water, your workouts become weaker. And overthinking. Too much stress can damage your recovery. Stress affects hormones that are important for muscle growth. A calm mind, bad workout form. Using bad form during exercise can reduce muscle activation and increase injuries. Focus on slow movements, full range of motion, not training hard enough. Your muscles grow when they are challenged. If every workout feels easy, your body has too much cardio. Cardio is healthy, but too much cardio can make muscle gain harder for skinny people. Balance, comparing yourself to others. Everyone's body grows differently. Some people gain muscle fast, others take longer. Focus on skipping leg day. Big legs help build strength, testosterone, overall body size. Never ignore training without a plan. Random workouts create random results. A proper workout plan builds faster. Fear of heavy weights. Many beginners are afraid to lift heavier weights, but controlled heavy training helps muscles grow. Lack of discipline. Motivation disappears quickly. Discipline keeps you going every day. That is what unrealistic expectations. Social media often shows fake transformations. Real muscle gain takes final. If you truly want to transform your body, focus on smart training, good nutrition, proper sleep, consistency. Remember, small daily actions create massive